Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of January 6th through the 12th. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. This is the brand new one. This is only the second week in this planner, but I am loving it, and I do love the tabs already in here. Sorry, that's probably my washer that you can hear in the background. Every time I try to film, it starts making noise, but it is what it is, and I'm just gonna keep going because this is the time that I have to film today. For this week, I'm using this kit from My Planner Life UK. Honestly, I cannot remember what it's called, but probably something like Cozy Winter or Blue and White Winter or something. I don't know. I'm gonna put it down below so that you have whatever this is called. But I love these kits because they're super fast to set up. There's not a lot that I need to do in terms of the setup during the week, things like that. So mostly I'm just gonna do the quick setup following what this set is. The only things I might change, I'm gonna probably flip the white, mostly white and mostly blue background so that it alternates all the way across. And I usually put my headers in, maybe I'll leave them as today to do little things. Yeah, sure. Remember in the last one, but today to do remember, and I'll put the boxes up at the top. So I think my plan is to kind of just lay everything out without talking to you so that you can just see it happening. I do have this Uniball Signo. It's a 0.28. It's a very small pen, but it is in blue-black ink, which I think will go well with this kind of navy vibes here. So I'm just gonna write some dates and stuff like that up here at the top. But I'm going to fill everything in and do all of the things, and then I will be back to show you how it's looking. This is the mostly finished spread, honestly, but I will fill in all of the details as the week goes on. I do add a little line here for my checklist of things that need to happen this week. Sorry, my cat's trying to join us. I did alternate all the way down. I think it turned out really cute. I wrote hydrate into each of these. It doesn't look super beautiful. This pen does not like writing on top of the ink, but I think it's good enough. It'll be fine. I can always use these boxes down here if I really need to add additional things. Usually I don't, and usually I just let this be a cute little like bottom washi-esque thing and put the weekend banner down here. But I'll put in my top 3 things I'm doing each day. I can usually squeeze a little something extra in down here. My workout and what I eat for dinner. I didn't put workout boxes on the weekend since I don't reliably do a full workout. I usually just try to get in some sort of movement like a walk or something like that. But I think this is gonna be super cute when it's finished. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I think it turned out super cute, fun, and wintry, so very excited for that. As usual, there is a decent amount of leftover functional stuff from these My Planner Life UK kits, which I'm gonna throw in my leftovers and I will use at some point in the future. This week was mostly just a recovery and getting back into the typical schedule kind of week, but also pretty busy, especially at work. But I think that's all I really have for today. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below, or if you don't have anything that you want to leave, but you'd like to join us in the chat, leave me a tree emoji just to say hi. I would love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shop, show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.